There are probably 6 masters of the craft. I've had the pleasure of studying with 4 of them. The days of emailing your headshots and going on simple casting calls is over. I'm not going to pat you on the back. The reality is I've thrown people out of my class. You have to do this and you have to love this more than anything. This is the only time I'll allow you to take this out. Let's start with you. Stand up. I guess without much ado, because there is a lot, we have some contestants here. Should we go right into that, Roy, and bring them on up? Yes. Who is the first one? What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, come on up. Is there any stools anywhere? Just so I could be taller? I will tell you this, as an actor, when I walk into a room, it's always the 6'2" guy that I go up against. So I hate you.
Oh, okay. All right.
What are you doing? Tell me about what you're doing.
I'm a full-time actor.
Okay. No, in your monologue.
Oh, I'm doing a monologue. Just a monologue I like.
All right. So, why don't we shoot?
Okay. Where am I going?
Just take it out over the audience.
Okay, I can do that. All right. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone here. Cut me some slack, would you? No, but I have to admit this. When we fight, I wish so badly that we wouldn't. It always goes too far. No one ever concedes. You can be a big pain in the butt. I can too. You a little bit more than me. No, but there is nobody I want more than you. Not even the version of you I had when we first met. You grow more amazing every single day. So when we jab at each other with cruel words, just know that even in anger.
Stop you there, John. These days, at least by me in New York, you're going to go up against Emmy winners. I had to coach an actress go up against an Oscar winner from Raging Bull. Mm-hmm. One day you're going to be up against somebody. So tell me what you're thinking, what is happening here as you're thinking of this person. Who are you talking to? Obviously a girl.
Yes.
Okay.
I kind of thought it was like we just had a fight and like we started talking again but didn't really address it. So I'm trying to address it in like a lighthearted but like serious manner. Yeah. So that not to really like start a fight again, but just to kind of address it.
Now, suppose that woman, do you have anybody in your life close to you?
My mom. My mom.
Never a babe?
Sure.
Okay. Can I borrow both your chairs a second?
Yes.
Let's have you kneel down a second.
Okay.
No. On the floor. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. What religion are you?
None.
None, but in your religion, none. Is the casket open or closed?
Closed.
Oh, okay. But have you ever been to a funeral where it was open?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's use the mother. These are just words. These are just words that the playwright wrote. They mean nothing. The playwright got paid. He's getting residuals. He smiles every time you do his play. I smile every time someone does monologue or does one of my play. Mm-hmm. That person, look over there. Do you remember the person last funeral you went to? Mm-hmm. You could see that person, right? Mm-hmm. Right in front of you, only because we deal in specifics. Mm-hmm. And you remember the feel of cherry oak with metal, the coffin. Mm-hmm. Feel that wood and the cherry oak. Look at that person. Now substitute it with the closest person you know, your mother. Connect with her eyes. Her hands, cold, frozen. They're just about to close that coffin. It's the last time you're ever going to see her, ever again. When you walk into the audition room, you know, who here is in business? Anybody here in business? You all are. You're artists, actors, but you're business people. One day you're going to be in a room with 20, 30, 40 other people. We got 1 minute. Say goodbye to your mother for the last time. It's got to hurt like fucking hell. Yes, you could curse. Remember, they're closing the coffin in 5 minutes. Don't let them close the coffin.
Stepping out of my comfort zone here, so cut me some slack. But
So I'm sorry the funeral parlor's closing. You got to go. Don't let them close the coffin.
when I'm stepping out of my comfort zone here, so cut me some slack. But when we fight, I wish so badly that we wouldn't. It always goes too far. No one ever concedes.
All right, cut. Now, one day you may be up against Brad Pitt for a movie, or the now dead Lou Diamond Phillips. Hit your mark. It's another whole level. People are groomed for that level. You're doing great. You really are. I hit a grand slam.
Cut. Good point.
That's good.
Good point.
You're right.
Huh?
You're right. Yeah. I've had people walk out.
Oh, no.
You know what? Sometimes, like it says, how do you walk on stage crushed if you've never been crushed? When they yell action, you got to be where you have to be. I'm not just an acting coach. I'm also an on-set coach. If you look at my limited IMDb credits, you see a lot of coach, Apartment 666, Carrie Diaries. I do a lot of on-set coaching. I got to get the actors.
And then red, and then a deep blue.
It's a gun to your
and
head.
When you're out there doing your monologue for him, you get real-time adjustments.
Which most men never feel, then saw to it.
I am so thankful to have a talent like John Pallotta here in DC coming down from New York.
That you have for acting and apply it to this.
He's also one of the most practical instructors I've ever met in terms of getting that dichotomy of working the business and the craft of acting
Take
together.
it to a deeper place without yelling.
In the practice of the art.
You guys in real life have personalities, right? Bring that personality to that.